So could you explain how you do this, Addison? So we're about to change the water, right?
Yeah, we're about to fill this. It's never fun to do, but this is the best heated water we found. So you just open up this bottom plug, and we use milk jugs. So we gotta bring the water from inside, and then we just pour it in here. Usually it takes, if it's fully empty, it takes about 3 milk jugs.
What's the temperature today, though?
It's about, around here, it's about 9 degrees Fahrenheit, with a wind chill factor of about 2. We're expecting 12 to 14 inches of snow, and with wind gusts of 35 plus miles an hour.
Oh my God.
We're on Martha's Vineyard, so we never quite know what we're going to get, but it's supposed to be really heavy snow. So our girls are out wandering around right now, but they will probably be in their covered run for most of the day, because they do not like snow. You close it and you flip it over, the water goes everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
And I think that's the biggest complaint, is that the water goes everywhere. It's not an easy fill, but like I said, it does keep the water
Hot.
yeah, it keeps it warm enough to
I know.
it doesn't
Yeah, she's right by your side.
My little shadow is always with me.
She's beautiful.
Kind of a slow process for me because I don't want to spill it everywhere. Because it already does that enough when I flip it over. So, just gotta make sure this goes in all the way, because otherwise it slowly leaks out the bottom. So you can just take it, flip it, fills.
Nice.
Then my cord
Nice bright.
is up here and over. We prefer to keep it up so that it doesn't get wet. And then, of course, the chickens are right in it because they're curious. And of course, they love some fresh water. All right, girls, enjoy.